5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we have liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Delta IV rocket carrying the WGS-10 mission for the United States Air Force.
Passing 10 seconds into flight. RSCT chamber pressure looks good. Same good chamber pressure across all 4 SRMs, nice symmetric burn. 20 seconds into flight. Continue to see good performance on the RS-68A engine. Station of stage separation. Nozzle extension is deploying. We have pre-start on the RL-10 standing by for ignition.
And all systems continue to operate nominally. The Delta IV second stage and WGS satellite are traveling over the Atlantic Ocean in a southeasterly direction away from the coast of Florida.